Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 192 different strategies, with 61 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 83 other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 999 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says, I found a new indicator that perfectly predicts best signal indicator Tradingview. A little bit weird of a title there, seemed like it didn't finish part of the sentence, but so be it. We're going to put this strategy to the test, of course, and see what we can get out of it. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the false breakout indicator, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will give you these arrows right here, green arrows and red arrows. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the Chand Momentum Oscillator, this one right here. It's the built-in one in Tradingview, and you'll add that to the screen and it will look similar to this right here. Let's go ahead and jump into the settings of the false breakout indicator. So the false breakout indicator, on the false breakout period, you're going to change that to 25, and on the new breakout, you're going to change that to 7 and hit OK. On the Chand Momentum, you will go ahead and jump into the settings on that one, and you will change the length to 2. Click OK, and you should have what I have on screen now. So what we are looking for a long trade is we are looking for the false breakout to give us a green arrow like this right here. When we get a green arrow from the false breakout, we're then going to look down to the Chand Momentum, and we want the blue line to be above this 0 dash line right here. When those two line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long, and so we'll set a long right there. Put our stop just right below this entry right here, this pivot, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, so right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. You can see that we make a really nice push up there, getting us to our take profit really nicely. And for a short trade, again, what we are looking for is going to be a red arrow like this right here. We're then going to look down to the Chand Momentum, and we want that blue line to be below the dashed line like so. When those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. Set our short right there. We'll put our stop just right above the swing, and we'll target that same 1 to 1.5, pretty much right where it is now. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And again, a pretty nice move, a little bit delayed, but it did stair step its way down, getting us to our take profit nonetheless. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 24 winning trades and 26 losing trades, putting it at a nice 48% win rate. Now, with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade, your total drawdown would have been $10,400 for a total gain of $4,000 altogether. Not too bad. I think that was about 1 month, a little over 1 month of trading altogether. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator, though. We did 47 trades during the same period of time, had 40 winning trades, 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $5,460 for a total gain altogether of $18,540. So definitely better than the $4,000 from this strategy, but still, I think this is a really valid strategy. I definitely don't think it's a bad strategy at all. Now, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Let's go ahead and look at our weekly trades here. And so this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the signals that it would have given us. And so for this last week, we had 7 trades altogether. We had 1 winning trade, 6 losing trades. That would have put us at a 14% win rate. It would have been a drawdown of $4,380. The crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 losing trade, would have been a drawdown of $780. For the week, we would have been down $5,160. But for our 12-week total, a little bit of a tongue twister there, we would have been up $17,980. So still quite profitable. Even with the losing trade, that's just a reality of trading. You're going to have good weeks, you're going to have bad weeks. And so that's it for the strategy here. Like I said, I actually really like this strategy. I like this indicator most of all. This false breakout indicator did really well. And so highly recommend that you play around with this more. That's it for this one. Like I said, we're going to put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.